Abu Khalafa narrated that he was in the service of Ummul Mu'mineen Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha along with Ubaid bin Umair, and he expressed that he had come to inquire about a verse at that time, asking how the Prophet ﷺ used to recite it. The verse was Alladina ya'tuna ma atav, Quran Surah 38 verse 24. He asked whether it was recited as Yuthuna ma atav or Yutuna ma atav. He inquired which of these two recitations they preferred. Ubaid responded, "The one for which my soul is in the hands of Allah. I prefer the recitation Alladina ya'tuna ma atav more than all the treasures of this world." He was asked which one it was, and he replied, Alladina ya'tuna ma atav. He tested that the Prophet ﷺ also recited the verse in the same manner, and it was revealed in this way. However, in writing both have the same meaning. The hadith is also narrated through the second chain of transmission. Musnad Ahmad, hadith number 24007.